Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is 24-inch Sky local brand LED TV. Here you can see its board. It is a combi board. Here you can see the number of board TP.V56.PA671, etc. Now I am going to turn on the LED TV. Let's see what is the problem in this LED TV. Here you can see red indicator is there. When I press the standby button, power button, now I am going to press the power button. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here you can see after releasing the standby, it is immediately turning off. Red light is coming back. You can see it. Again I will do it. Release it the standby, turning on, immediately it will turn off. That is the problem. In this video I am going to show you what is the solution for this type of problem. Now we have to check all the voltages is proper or not. Now let's check the voltages. First we have to check 12 volt is proper or it is varying. Here you can see the 12 volt is proper after releasing the standby also. If 12 volt is proper, then we have to check flash IC voltages. In this first pin we have to check 3.3 is in perfect condition or it is varying. Now it is in perfect condition, but after releasing the standby, here you can see it is varying. Yeah, here you can see from 3.3 to here it is going to 2.3 to 2.9. Again I will check it. Here you can see. Now you can see now 3.3 is in perfect condition. After releasing the standby, you can see here it will be going to 2.8 2.9 voltages. Because of this variation in voltages, the TV will going to turn off mode. Here you can observe clearly it is varying 2.7 2.8. The 3.3 voltage should be in proper 3.3 voltages only. It cannot be varied. If it is varied, the TV will give problem like this. For this flash IC, this IC will generate 3.3 voltages. Here you can see this leg is directly connected to this point. This point is directly connected to this point. If you replace this IC, the problem will get fixed. So now I am not going to repair this board because I am going to convert this local brand TV to branded TV. So I am going to remove this display and place it to the another branded TV. So I am not going to repair this TV. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.